During 3D printing procedure, the biggest issue and solution of how to save use and recycled explosive powder are to become the most important technical questions in this industry. TOP-TSF 400 explosion-proof ultrasonic seeking machine had answered this question. Machine complies to China explosion-proof requirement and also meets the Europe ATEX requirement. An automatic novel gas production system has been chosen to use in our TSF 400. During the laser sintering of metal powder, condensed metal will be easily created to mix into raw powder to cause worse quality of metal powder. During the operation of TSF 400, thanks to the noble gases production and high efficiency screening, it guaranteed powder purify and unlimited recycling for saving users costs. High screening efficiency was practiced by ultrasonic and motor combined action. Electrical motors shaking off powder are distributed en masse on average. Smaller particles are passed through, but bigger ones are excluded. Meanwhile, ultrasonic transmission system spread energy to screen mesh, destroys the mesh surface tension in order to avoid absorption of the powder for reducing the chance of mesh jam. Help powder down through mesh to reach the target of screening powder. There is a recycle entry on the top of TSF 400. It can be equipped with our explosion-proof vacuum cleaner to get all big or impurified powder out of machine. High screening efficiency was operated because no need to open the cover when dealing these impurified powder inside. TOP is committed to providing a high-quality products and a perfect service system to guarantee the safety of people, environment, and property.